feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't widen.
Relationships can be complicated. Try honest communication. Hello, friends. This is Yutel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us because we all have relationship and relationship can be complicated. So try honest communication. And I know it's not always easy to be honest. I am sharing this with you based on my own life experiences and of course, based on what I have read in the scripture. I am not perfect. I am still working with myself and I am sharing with you some verses in the scripture so we can work on this together. Because relationship is really very difficult. Mother and father relationship, friendship relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, husband and spouse relationship, it's all can be complicated when there is no honest communication. Honesty is the key here. If we really want to live the best relationship we can have in this life journey, we must try and have an honest communication with our partner. I am not perfect. I am still working with myself, but we can work on this together. What I have read, what I have learned, I am sharing this with you in hope that can really help you in your day-to-day life journey. Because in this life journey, we all have trials and difficulties to face. No one is exempted with complication. We all have to deal with it. There is complication when there is no honesty. It's complicated and it's very difficult to live a happy life when our relationship at home is in chaos. The only thing is complicated. I cannot make it anymore. Remember that in every problem, there is always a solution. In every trials, there's a way out. But you have to be mindful enough to be honest with yourself, to do the best you can to have that happy, loving relationship. Or else it won't work out at all when there is none honest relationship. Honesty is the key. Honesty is the best policy to live a happy relationship with our loved ones. It's easy for me to say because I live alone. And of course, I love my children. I love my family. But we're not living together. So there's a gap. There's a distance. We are not meeting every day. But if you're living with your loved ones together in one roof, honesty is very important. Open with each other, honest with each other is very important to live our best life. Yes, everyone wants to have a happy relationship, but it takes work, it takes effort to have that happy relationship, and that you have to be aware of. So, as what I said, honesty is the key. Be open with each other, understanding with each other, and respect with each other to have a happy relationship. Don't conclude right away. No, it's complicated. Don't say that. Work on with yourself. I am sharing with you some verses when it comes to this matter. As it says in Matthew 10:38-39, and he that taketh not his cross and follow it after me is not worthy of me. He that findeth his life shall lose it, and he that loseth his life for my sake shall find it. Matthew 13:44-46. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like unto treasure hid in a pit, in which when a man hath found, he hideth, and for joy thereof goeth and selleth all that he hath, and buyeth that field. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like unto a merchant man seeking godly pearls, who when he had found one pearl of great price, went and sold all that he had and bought it. Exodus 23. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Psalms 25:14. The secret of the Lord is with them and fear him, and he will show them his covenant. Matthew 7:24. Anyone who listens to my teaching and allows it, it is wise like a person who builds a house on the rock. Yes, relationship can be complicated, especially when they are not based on honest communication. You really can't be close to anyone unless you are willing to open up and share your life with them. One person can't do all the talking. It's a two-way, straight communication. Friends become best friends because they do spend time together, making memories and sharing life experiences. There are times that one will complain, then the other rarely confides in them. But here is the truth. People choose to make time for those they care about. They will answer texts or phone calls from people who are important to them. Never believe anyone who says they're too busy. If they wanted to be around you, they would. When someone treats you like an option, help them narrow their choices by removing yourself from the equation. The famous author Maya Angelou once said, when people show you who they are, believe them in the first time. No matter how many times you make excuses for the lack of interest, you need to accept the fact that you cannot change others. You can only change your response to them. All too often, people treat God as a mere acquaintance, someone you talk to only when you're in trouble. God is not just an option to invite into your life whenever you need Him. You must make a choice. You can serve both God and Satan. Only God can give you lasting joy and happiness. And He always wants to communicate with you. Remember, when you pray, God listens. When you listen, God speaks. And when you believe, God works. If you want Jesus to be your best friend, then talk to Him every day, not just when you want something. Thank Him for the many blessings that He gives you and share your innermost thoughts, feelings, and dreams with Him. He is your best friend. So treat Him like you really do want Him in your life. Remember, God's love as a friend is unconditional. Have you heard that? When you want to have a best friend, when you want to have a good relationship, talk with them be with them, share your memories with them, and be open with each other. Honesty is very important here. Therefore, I believe when you want a happy relationship with Him above, communicate with Him, spend time with Him every day through your prayers and meditation. I live as I live today because of His help. Have an honest relationship with God, and believe me, you will live a fulfilled life when you know how to communicate with Him above every day. And it is the same with our friends, with our loved ones. Spend time with them, talk with them, be open with them, and be honest with them. This is Yundan. Thank you for listening. Thank you for spending time with me here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here in my life journey. I love you all and bye-bye.
Like we feel the same when you